We've got a two-system maintenance this morning. Got a train split upstairs, a train package unit downstairs. I'm going to start upstairs and then move down. Got the iManifold ready to do our report, and we're rocking the new tablet that the boss gave us, the Samsung Galaxy Tab 2. We've got an R22 system. It's a XR1000, 3-ton, back in 1999. Discharge off of the compressor. Got the wire routed so that it's behind some of the copper, just in case the fan is pulling up on everything. Now we can drop the fan back in and get back to business. We'll clean the rest of that out once we get to the cleaning process. So some of the guys were asking how you manage your cables on your iManifold for your sensors. T4 is close to the liquid line, so I run my liquid line sensor on T4. T3 and T2 don't really matter because they're both in the middle. But at this point I've got T3 on my outdoor ambient, T2 on my discharge, and T1 is close to the suction line, so I run my suction line lead off of that. And these strap cables are pretty simple to apply. Just flip them around and you're done. So let's fire it back up. Go ahead and fire up the iManifold app. Connect to manifold. And we are going to profile. We've got a 10-seer R22. Let's do some user inputs. We're going to do electrical. We've got a split system, single phase, 240 volts, and L2 amps, 13.1. L1 amps, 14.1. We'll go to volts. L1 volts are 119.7, 119.7. L2 volts are 119.8, 119.8. Get rid of the keyboard. We do have a furnace inside, and if it's still a match to the 99, I'm going to guess it's a PSC, but we'll confirm that when we get upstairs. We'll get all the other stuff when we get up there too. Submit that. We're going to move up to the attic. We're going to get volts with the door off. And we'll get voltage. Probably can't see that. 120.6. And then we'll put the door on and get our amp draw. We'll get return through the door so that we've got an average of the two returns as good as we can get. And we'll get amps off of incoming power. I haven't been terribly impressed with this Android tablet. Probably part of it is because I'm used to the iOS stuff, but I've noticed that this Android tablet actually lags like crazy, and the screen doesn't seem to be as sensitive, and it doesn't have any screen protectors or anything, but I can't seem to just tap where I want to go and have it go. It takes its time and decides when it wants to go, which is definitely frustrating when you're used to a snappy, responsive device. We'll let it run for a few minutes and then we'll input some air across evaporator readings. Let's see what our amp draw is for now. User inputs, electrical, the voltage to ground was 120.6. The amps are 7.2. Submit that. We'll give it some air across the evaporator. 77.7. And relative humidity is 50. We got our supply up here. We've got 54 and 87. 54 dry bulb, 87 relative humidity. Superheat's a little high, but we're still running, so we'll give it some time. Outdoor ambient is almost 78 degrees. I'm in the attic and I'm still connected. I've been happy with the connectivity of the Android device, just a little bit lackluster on device performance specific to this tablet. Little laggy, processor's kind of crap. Alright, so we've been running for a little while now, and superheat is coming down and pressures are equalizing or, stabling out. We're doing pretty good. So we're going to move outside and record the model number for my report. Alright, so we got our serial numbers in, and all of our readings in. We're going to take a system snapshot for the report. All those lines go from red to green. That I'm going to add my email and send myself the report. See what I mean? Push the button and await. Continue. Sending report. Report is sent. Alright. Time to clean her up. Obviously that coil looks great. It's been cleaned very well before. This is actually what you get if you don't take the cabinets off and you simply try to clean from the inside out. You get this nastiness. This side doesn't look too bad. And there we go again. On the inside we look great. Nice and clean. The outside not so much. Look at that mess. We're gonna fix that. is a clean coil. Inside and outside look the same, pretty much. I don't like the spine fins. Don't really have a whole lot of garbage in here. Kind of surprised because we've got these bushes around the unit, but I'm not going to complain. Let's see if we can find some water. So we got the iManifold hooked up to the package unit and try to run through the user inputs. We got air across the evaporator, 74 and 54, 54 and 77. We got measured airflow at 1250 based on the variable speed, and electrical package unit, single phase 240 volt, 119.3 and 11.8, 119.4 and 11.8. We're going to go to system performance. There we go. Good. Oh, goodness gracious, that was a lot of fun. Hopefully, after I've edited all this, it's worth watching. But two systems, attic split system, first floor package unit, check and clean, iManifold report on both systems, and not doing too bad. Kind of an interesting unit. The furnace upstairs is a 95%. The furnace was newer, the coil was 2005, and the outdoor unit was 1999. So we had a hodgepodge of age matchups on that unit, but got them cleaned up, got them checked out. Everything is doing pretty decent. Took me from 7:45 to 11:15 to do those two systems, and we'll hope that I don't have a 3.5 hour video for you.
Please drive
But
to highlighted
anyway, wanted to let y'all know that I am getting ready to, well, I have posted some t-shirts on a website called spreadshirt.com, and I'm planning on giving one away that will be specially labeled for whoever wins it. If you're interested in a t-shirt, mention t-shirt in the comments down below. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Check out HVAC with Stephen Reardon.spreadshirt.com. And we will see you on the next one.